So the TMC purchased this site in the year 2000. It is a 650,000 square foot cookie factory on a 21-acre campus.
You know, originally it was a Nabisco cookie plant, and then as the new leadership came into play at the TMC, we started to begin to see research taking on more of a precedent within the Texas Medical Center, and they noticed that the floor plates and the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, because of what it used to be as a cookie plant, became very conducive. And the ceiling heights and all those things became very conducive for labs.
It's an old factory, right? So it's got old factory bones, high ceilings, exposed plumbing, you know, beautiful old hardwood floors, you know, great wide open hallways. So, you know, when you walk around, it's just cool industrial space to be in. And then, you know, we make the capital investment to upgrade all the facilities. So while it's an older building and it's got a great sort of historical feel, the amenities are modernized and current.
What we have here is really the connectivity to the hospitals.
Houston's strength is in clinical care, great science cluster, great talent cluster, great clinical care cluster, but not a cluster that's focused on commercialization for a long time. And that's really what we're trying to do here.
So TMC Innovation is really the heartbeat of this building. It's 100,000 square feet of co-working space. We have an entire platform where we not only provide the real estate, but the expertise, the programmatic elements, and we connect them again to our hospital institution partners. So while we have all of that activity going on, we have J Labs, which is our neighbor right next door, and people who go through our program are able to use their lab space.
When you couple the institutional research with the private research and the startups, and then bring in industry partners like Johnson & Johnson.
Here at CDI, which is the Center for Device Innovation for Johnson & Johnson, we have very strong relationships with Dr. Billy Cohn and his team here, and he helps advise many of our companies. ABB Robotics out of Switzerland, this is their only global healthcare hub in the world, is located here at this building. They also work with our programs, with our med device, and with our digital health company. So there is a lot of interaction with tenants.
We think it's going to be a convergence of startups, institutional research that's already got grant funding, and then also industry partners to really make it a robust environment.
There's an opportunity for startups to have a single desk or a whole suite, be in a lab, or, you know, do medical device prototyping. It's all available here.
Here at this building, we have the entire life cycle of a life science company take place here. So you can start with incubation and just an idea, all the way up through your funding rounds and development, all the way to commercialization. So all of those things are taking place here in this building, which is unlike any other building in Houston.